Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to maths class. I hope all of you are fine and healthy. In the last video, we have seen the chapter fractions. I made this chapter into two parts. Part 1 already we have seen in the last class. Today I will continue the chapter fractions part 2. Part 1 video already have seen. So what is fraction? Fraction is a part of whole. Suppose it is a whole thing. Fractions means it's a part. If I shade this region, what it indicates? 1 by 4. There are 4 parts. Out of 4, one part I have shaded. What it indicates? I have shaded 2 parts out of 4. What it indicates? I have shaded 3 parts out of 4. So, fraction is a part of whole. In that, you have seen different kinds of fractions. Proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction. Proper fraction means numerator is less than the denominator. 1 by 2 is a proper fraction. Improper fraction means numerator is greater than the denominator. Okay? It is a proper fraction, it is improper fraction. The one more kind is mixed fraction. What is mixed fraction? This can be written in the form of denominator is 2, you have to divide 3 one time, 1 is the remainder. So 1 by 2. This is called as mixed fraction. This is called as improper fraction. This is called as proper fraction. So improper fractions and mixed fractions are same, but we are writing in different ways. Here it is numerator is greater than the denominator. Here we are writing 1 by 2. How to read? 1 integer 1 by 2 or 1 by 2. 1 full part and 1 by 2 is the fraction. So after that we have seen equivalent fractions. What is equivalent fractions? The equivalent fractions of 1 by 2 is we need to multiply and divide the same thing. So if we multiply 2, we need to divide 2. So that we get 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. The next equivalent fraction is 1 by 2 is given. What we multiply? Next number 3 divide by 3. So we will get 3 by 6. Like this problem we have seen already. Then what is like fractions and unlike fractions? Like fractions. What is a like fractions? It is a fraction in this denominators are same. 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6 are like fractions. It is a fraction in this denominators are same. Whether 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 10 by 5 is like fraction? Yes, because the denominator is same. In a fraction, if denominators are same, then it is called as like fractions. The next one is unlike fractions. What is unlike fractions? Denominator is different. Suppose 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4. Whether it is like or unlike, it is unlike. Why it is unlike? Because denominators are different. After that, we have seen how to convert like fraction into, unlike fractions into like fractions. So suppose 1 by 2 and 1 by 3 is given. Which is greater? We cannot say. Suppose 1 by 3 and 2 by 3 is given. Which is greater? It is a like fraction. How to find which is greater? If numerator is greater, then such a fractions are called as like fractions, or denominator is same, then it is like fractions. In this, if numerator is greater, then the fraction is greater. If the numerator is smaller, then the fraction is smaller. This is greater, this is smaller. Suppose 1 by 2 and 1 by 3 is given. It is difficult to check. At that time, we need to take LCM. So 1 by 2, the LCM of denominator is 6. LCM of denominator is 6, 2 and 3. How to see LCM? In the last chapter we have seen 2 and 3 goes to only 1. 2, 3 multiply this will get 6. 6 is the LCM. To get denominator as 6, what we need to multiply for 1 by 2? For 1 by 2 if multiply 3, we will get 3 by 6. For this 1 by 3, to get 6 in the denominator, for 3 we need to multiply 2, here also 2, this is 1, so 2 by 6. Now you can say which is greater, which is smaller. 3 by 6 is greater than this, so 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 3. Clear? So this much you have seen in the last class. Now let's see addition and subtraction of like fractions and unlike fractions. Addition of like fractions and unlike fractions. Let's see addition and subtractions of fractions. Addition and subtraction of fractions. Already we have seen different kinds. In that I'll take up like and unlike fractions. So let's see addition of like fractions. Addition of like fractions. Addition of like fractions. For example, find the sum of. Find the sum of. I have given this in your notes. 4 by 9 and 2 by 9. Sum of 4 by 9 and 2 by 9. Whether it is a like fractions or unlike fractions. If denominators are same, it is like fractions. How to add the like fractions? 4 by 9 and 2 by 9 we need to add. If denominator is same, LCM is also same. 9 and 9, one time it goes, 4 remains as it is, plus 9 and 9, one time goes, 2 remains as it is. So it is equal to 4 plus 2 is 6 by 9. Can you simplify this? Yes, it goes with the 3 2s are 3 3s are. So 2 by 3 is the answer. And so that is sum. Sum of 4 by 9 and 2 by 9 is 2 by 3. For example, one more. 3 by 8 plus 1 by 8 plus 5 by 8. How to find the sum? Here somewhere this is like fraction, no doubt, because denominator is 8. So 8 is the LCM of these three. So what remains in the numerator? This equalizes, so 3 remains, plus this equalizes, 1 remains, plus these 2 equalizes, 5 remains. That is equal to 3 plus 1 plus 5 is 9 by 8. It is the answer. Can you write in the simplest form? Yes, it is an improper fraction. It can be written in the form of a mixed fraction. Suppose numerator is greater, how many times it goes with 8? 8 is the denominator. 8 ones are 8 plus 1 is 9. 8 ones are 8 plus 1 is 9. That is nothing but 9 by 8 or 1 integer 1 by 8. This is called as addition of like fractions. Now let's see addition of like fractions. Now let's see subtraction of like fractions. Subtraction. What is the meaning of subtraction? We need to subtract the given fractions. Suppose the fraction is 5 by 9 minus 2 by 9. What is the meaning? We need to subtract these two. Like fractions can be added or subtracted easily by taking the LCM. So if both are 9, if both the denominators are same, then we need to take denominator as 9. So equalize the denominator, compare these, it goes, numerator 5 remains, minus, compare the denominator of the second one, it goes, equalizes, 2 remains, that's equal to 5 minus 2 is 3 divided by 9, that is equal to 3 ones are 3 3s are. This is the answer. This is the difference. Suppose example is like this. Find the difference of 5 by 9 and 2 by 9 is over. Suppose if it is 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3, how to find? So LCM of 3 and 3 is 3, same number. What remains in numerator? 2 minus 1, that is equal to 2 minus 1 is 1 by 3. It is called as difference. Understood? Subtraction of like fractions. Now it is addition of unlike fractions. Suppose the fractions are different. Addition of unlike fractions. As we said, what is unlike fractions? Denominators are different in a fraction. So the first example is 5 by 6 plus 3 by 8. First you have to check whether the given fraction is like or unlike. In the examination they won't mention unlike or like. We have to guess. So denominators are different. It is unlike fractions. How to find the sum of unlike fractions? First we need to take the LCM of 6 and 8. 6 and 8. So what is LCM of 6 and 8? 6 and 8 goes with the 2. How many times? 2 3s are 2 4s are. Again it goes with 1. So 3 times 4 times remains as it is. If you take up this, it is called as HCF. If you multiply all these, you will get LCM. 6 and 8 are the given numbers. We have to divide by the least point numbers 2. 2 3s are 2 4s are. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. 3 and 4, it has no common factor, it has no common divisor. So let's divide by 1. 3 and 4 remains as it is. Or you can stop after dividing one step. If you multiply these, you will get 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. Or 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. So 24 is the LCM now. The LCM of 6 and 8 is 24. Now compare this. How many times it goes? 6 how many times 24? 6 4s are 24. Therefore you need to multiply to 5. So 5 into 4. Understood? 5 is given into, after equalizing 4 remains, plus 8 and 24. Compare how many times 8 3s are. So we need to multiply 3 into 3. That's equal to 5 4s are 20 plus 3 3s are 9 by 24. 20 plus 9 is 29 by 24. This is the answer. It is an improper fraction. Can write in terms of mixed fraction? Yes. 24 is the denominator. How many times goes? 1 time. What remains? 5. So next one. Addition of unlike fractions. Example 2. Example 2. It is given that 8 by 9 plus 5 by 12. That's equal. 9 and 12. LCM of 9 and 12. How to take 9 and 12? 9 and 12. It goes with the 3 tables. 3 3s are 3 4s are. Won't go. So multiply this. 3 3s are 9. 9 4s are 36. Compare the denominator. How many times? 9 4s are. So 8 into 4 plus 12 how many times? 3 times. 5 into 3. That's equal to 8 4s are 32 plus 5 3s are 15 divided by 36. 32 plus 15 is 47 by 36. This is the answer. Can write in terms of mixed fraction? Yes. 36 is the denominator. 47 one time it goes and 11 remains. The next one is addition of unlike fractions. What now it is subtraction of unlike fractions. Procedure is same. Subtraction of unlike fractions. Let us see one example. Subtraction of unlike fractions. Find the difference of 7 by 8 minus 5 by 12. This is example. 8 and 12 is given, so it is unlike fraction. 8 and 12 goes with 4 table. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. This is called as SCF. If you multiply all this, we will call it as LCM. 4 2 into 3, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So 24 is the LCM. Clear? Now compare the first term, first fraction with this. Denominators are how many times? 8 3s are 7 into 3 minus. Compare this 2 times, isn't it? 2 times. So 5 2s are 7 3s are 21 minus 5 2s are 10 by 24. That is equal to 21 minus 10 is 11 by 24 is the answer. Like this way, we can find the addition and subtraction of like fractions and unlike fractions. Let's see the statement problems related to this. First one is Tanvi bought a notebook for rupees. This simply indicates rupees 8 3 by 4 and a pen for rupees 10 2 by 5. Question is this is 10 2 by 5. Question is how much money should she pay to the shopkeeper? She paid to the shopkeeper. I think you understood the questions. Tanvi bought a notebook and a pen. The cost of notebook is 8 3 by 4 and pen is 10 2 by 5. How much money she should pay means we need to add these two numbers. We need to add these two fractions. The first fraction is 8 3 by 4. It is in terms of mixed fractions. We need to convert in terms of a improper fraction. So 4 is the denominator. How to convert? We need to multiply. 4 8s are 8 4s are 32 plus 3, that is 35. So 8 3 by 5 is 8 3 by 4 is nothing but 35 by 4. Next one 10 2 by 5, that is equal to 10 5s are 50 plus 2 is 52 divided by 5. Got it? So these two we need to add. 35 divided by 4 plus 52 divided by 5 we need to add. Now it is unlike fractions. Taking the LCM 4 and 5, it goes with the table only 1, 4 times and 5 times. Multiply and get 20 is the LCM. Understood that? Now compare the denominators. 4 how many times? 4 5 times, so 35 into 5 plus 5 how many times? 4 times, so 52 into 4, that is equal to 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15 plus 2 is 17 plus 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20. So divided by 20, that is equal to, add it, we get 5 plus 8 is 1 minute. Yeah, 5 plus 8 is 13, 7 plus 0, 7 plus 1, 8, 1 plus 2 is 3 divided by 20. This much of rupees. So we can convert into 20 how many times? 20 how many times? 20 19s are, isn't it? 20 19s are 380 plus 3 the amount. This much amount she should pay for the shopkeeper. This is related to addition of unlike fractions. Let's see the last one. The cost of pen is somebody purchases pen in a shop is rupees 6 2 by 3 and 6 2 by 3 and that of a pencil is rupees 4 1 by 6. Now the question is which costs more? Which costs more and how much and how and by how much? Which costs more and by how much? What is the meaning? So when we can say which costs more, if it is a-like fractions, let's see 6 2 by 3 is given. Let's convert into the form of improper fractions. 3 as it is, 3 6 are 18 plus 2 is 20. Then 4 1 by 6, that's equal to 6 4 6 are 24 plus 1 is 25. Clear? So can you say now which is greater? No, because it is a unlike fraction. It is an unlike fraction, we cannot say. Now let's write into the form of a like fraction. So what is the LCM of 3 and 6? The LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. So we need to keep in the form of 6. For 3, what we need to multiply? We need to multiply 2. For numerator also multiply 2. We understood? We need to keep it in the form of 6. Already 6 is given, multiply 1, here also 1, so it is 25. This is 40. Now we can say, nowadays like fractions, which is greater? This is greater. By how much means? We need to subtract these two. So 40 by 6 minus 25 by 6, that is equal to 40 minus 25 divided by 6, that is equal to 15 divided by 6. Can you write in the form mixed fraction? 6 2s are 12, 3 remains, that is equal to 2, 1s are 2s are 3, 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, this much of rupees. Understood? So with this we have concluded the chapter fractions. So what is fraction? What is the type of fractions? What is the meaning of addition and subtraction of fractions? How to add, how to subtract the given like fractions and unlike fractions. I hope this chapter is finished. Also notes I have given. If not, by referring these videos, try to write down the points. Understood? So with this chapter is concluded. Thank you.